Creatures that make clothing. Some animals make clothing to hide themselves from their enemies. The interesting thing is that some larvae, newly hatched young insects, do this. The walking mosaic you see here is actually a small larva. Its costume is made of little pieces of stone that have carefully been placed on it and give it perfect camouflage. Larvae have several different costumes. Just as they have costumes made of smooth little pieces of wood, they also make more showy costumes for themselves from leaves. These creatures newly emerged from the egg know nothing about the outside world. They are little larvae with no intelligence or consciousness. So, why do they load heavy weights on their backs? The activity of these creatures is an intelligently designed method of camouflage. The camouflage does not belong to the creatures that display it, but to another power that rules them. God created all these wonderful qualities of living things. They are all proof of His infinite intelligence and knowledge.